Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are trying to make this Reshmi green chicken kebabs. Reshmi in Indian means silk, which is an apt description for the silky textured delicious chicken kebabs, which is a traditional Mughlai dish prepared in India. So into a blender add in this mint and coriander leaves and one green chili and make it into a puree. Add that into a bowl. With that, add in some ginger paste, some garlic paste, and some soaked peeled almond paste, some cashew nut paste, yogurt, and some fresh cream. All these ingredients makes this dish rich and creamy. Now mix everything really well. Into this add in some sugar, some cardamom powder, some salt, and juice from half a lemon. Now here I've used boneless chicken pieces, cut it into cubes. Mix it really well with the marination. Now cover the bowl and let it rest for 1 hour, or you can keep this in refrigerator overnight. Now take a skewer and insert each chicken pieces onto it. Here I've used a metal skewer, but if you're using a bamboo skewer, please soak the bamboo skewer in water for half an hour before using it. Here I'm making these kebabs in a pan. You can also grill these kebabs in microwave. So here I've added around 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a pan and place these kebabs with the skewer. And cook this on a medium to low flame. Flip the kebabs in between and cook this till it gets these golden shades. Our tender and juicy kebabs are ready. Today I'm serving it with some chapatis. These green, creamy chicken kebabs are really juicy and delicious. So do try it out. Leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.